I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect model to showcase your product? Spent too much time and money on expensive photo shoots? What if there was a way to create high-quality visuals without the hassle of hiring real models? Introducing Topview Product Avatars, a revolutionary AI-powered tool that lets you showcase your products with just one image. Imagine having a digital model ready to present your items instantly, making video marketing faster, easier, and more effective. Sounds exciting? Let's dive in. In today's competitive market, presentation is everything. Whether you're running an e-commerce store or crafting a standout marketing campaign, your product needs to captivate your audience. But what if you could achieve high-quality visuals without the hassle of expensive photo shoots or hiring models? Introducing Topview, the AI-powered tool that redefines how you showcase your products. Topview Product Avatars. Leverage cutting-edge AI to bring your products to life. Simply upload an image and watch as professional digital avatars hold and present your items with precision and style, just like having a personal modeling studio at your fingertips. These hyper-realistic animated avatars act as digital ambassadors for your brand or product. You can customize their appearance, tone, and personality traits to match your brand's identity. The process is simple. Select your favorite avatar. Click Replace with my product image. Upload your product image, and AI will automatically remove the background. Adjust the product's position as needed. Click Confirm to finalize. And that's it. The results are stunning. If you'd like, you can regenerate the output or convert the image into a video avatar.
I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Next, we have the Avatar Marketing Video feature. Creating a professional marketing video is now easier than ever with the Avatar Marketing Video feature. To get started, first, enter your product name to personalize the video. Next, upload your product media, whether it's an image or a video. Once your media is uploaded, it's time to enter your script. This is the message the avatar will deliver. You can type or paste your content, ensuring it's clear, engaging, and aligned with your marketing goals. After that, select the language and voice that best match your brand's tone.
Welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos.
Welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that
Welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI-powered.
With multiple languages and voice styles available, you can create content for a global audience with ease. Once everything is set, simply hit the Generate button, and the AI will create a high-quality marketing video featuring your product and avatar. In just minutes, you'll have a professional, engaging video ready for social media, advertisements, or brand promotions.
Perfume possesses several key properties that define its scent and performance. One of its main characteristics is volatility, meaning it evaporates in stages, revealing top, heart, and base notes over time. Its longevity depends on the concentration of aromatic compounds, with higher concentrations lasting longer. Another important property is stillage, which refers to the scent trail left behind. Perfume also varies in concentration from light eau de cologne to intense parfum,
without the need for actors, expensive shoots, or complex editing. And that's how avatar marketing videos can transform your product presentations. With AI-powered avatars, you can create professional videos quickly and effortlessly. No need for actors, expensive shoots, or complex editing. Just simple, effective video marketing at your fingertips. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description and bring your brand to life today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.